Let's learn planets' name. Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is closest planet to the Sun. Venus. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth. Earth. Earth, our home planet. Mars. Mars. This is Mars. Jupiter. Jupiter. Jupiter is a big gas planet. Saturn. Saturn. Saturn known as for its beautiful rings. Uranus. Uranus. Uranus spins on its side. Neptune. Neptune. This is Neptune. Thanks for watching.